Hello traders, welcome back to the Forex Gig where we dive deep into the tool that can help you make smarter trading decisions. In today's video, we are going to be talking about the most effective technical indicator for scalping. If you have been struggling to identify precise entries and exit points in your short-term trades, these 5 indicators will transform your approach to the market. You will discover how professional traders combine these with specific tools to spot high probability setup within minutes. Whether you are trading the forex market, cryptocurrency market or stock market, these indicators work across all markets and time frames. Let's begin with the first indicator that every scalper needs in their arsenal. Let's start with the 5 technical indicators that forms the foundation of successful scalping. Each of these tools serves a specific purpose in your trading arsenal, and when used together, they create a complete system for identifying optimal trade setup. Now, the first indicator we'll look at is the Bollinger Band. The Bollinger Band is the first indicator you need to master when is the Bollinger Band. This is the first indicator you need to master. These 3 lines on our chart act as dynamic support and resistance level. When price touches the lower band and start moving upward, you have a potential buying opportunity. Conversely, when price hits the upper band and begins to fall, consider this a selling signal. The key is to watch for price action that respects this band. Now, the second indicator we need to watch out for is our EMA, our moving average exponential, and it is an EMA strategy. We are making use of our 9 EMA for this indicator. The 9 period EMA is your next essential tool. This moving average responds quickly to price changes, making it perfect for scalping. Watch for moments when price crosses above or below the EMA. These are your potential entry points. The steeper the angle of the EMA, the stronger the trend. So we watch out for when price trade below the EMA for potential selling opportunity, and when price trades above the EMA for potential scalping buy trades. Now, the next indicator we will look at is our MACD precision. Our MACD is the next strategy, is the next indicator we can use. The MACD indicator helps to confirm your entry timing. We look for the histogram bar changing color and the MACD line crossing the signal line. This crossover, when aligned with other trading indicators, provides strong confirmation for trends. The next indicator we are going to look at is our stochastic oscillator. Our stochastic oscillator. This oscillator excels at identifying overbought and oversold conditions in the market. Enter long trades when the line crosses above 20. So if we want to buy, we buy when the line crosses above 20 on the oscillator, and consider short position when it crosses below 80 on this indicator. This indicator works best when the market is ranging. Now, the next indicator we'll look at is our parabolic SAR implementation. Finally, the parabolic helps you to stay in trade and identify optimal exit points. When the dot flip from below price to above price, consider closing your long position. While when it flips from above to below, we have to think about exiting our short trade. We need to have to know how to combine all these indicators together, and this will help us take efficient and good trade setup for scalping. Alright traders, we have come to the end of this video. Engage with us in the comments below. We want to hear about your experiences. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell so that you wouldn't miss out on more trading tips and strategy. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.